What up, tube? Today is Wednesday, May 2nd. I was supposed to have a day off today, guys, but again, short-handed. Two boys that took off to Vegas didn't make it back in time, I guess. So I'm gonna have to cover, work through the whole week again. Today is my 9th day straight working without a day off. So we've been going strong for a little bit already. Am I tired? Hell yeah. Do I need a day off? Hell yeah. But you know what, it is what it is, guys. This is what it is when you're a barbershop owner. You know, I can't stress to tell you guys enough that there's situations like this arise where, you know, we were just talking about this yesterday's vlog. It's like, you know, no days off. You just gotta keep going, keep working. So I'm headed to the shop right now. We're definitely gonna be short-handed today. It's just gonna be me and Big Tone. So it's just gonna be two of us on a Wednesday. That's usually not too good, but you know what I mean, we'll deal with it and we'll work through it and we'll get through this day. I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. We'll keep talking about this, guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Died with my own doubts.
What up, guys? Right now it's probably about 1 o'clock. We've been slammed all day. It's only me and Tone, so I mean we're just holding it down. Tomorrow's Thursday, so tomorrow's just another day. Get back to normal. The rest of the guys should be back. You know, it's just been a crazy day, dude. It's what it is. So it is when you're shorthanded. So, you know, step up the plate and take care of business. Right now, I already did some good haircuts today. I got some, did one makeover on a guy came in with long hair. I got him on hyperlapse. I'll be throwing up on that. It's a pretty cool haircut because his hair was super long. Looked like a surfer dude. Made him look respectable. But it was a good haircut. I'll post that one up in a little bit. I'll post that one up at the end of the video too. I'm gonna get back to work right now. I'm just eating some lunch and then I'm gonna head back over and start doing some more haircuts. See what we can get into, alright? Super crazy day today. Only me and Tone, so we're holding it down though. Shit, I already got like probably 15 haircuts today. I got a little break right now. I'm gonna get a little refreshment for after work, and I'm gonna go back and finish this day off. It's a good day today, guys. Good days. Now I don't mind coming to work when it's busy like this. Shit, make some money.
Locked and made.
that's it for today, guys. Right now it's about 7 o'clock again. Another late day here at the barbershop. 8 days going straight. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here tomorrow. If my other 2 guys show up that missed today that I covered for, then if they show up tomorrow, then I'm probably gonna take tomorrow off, take an extra day of relaxing, man, because I'm super burned out of cutting hair. But it is what it is. We gotta go with the flow. That's what it is to be a barbershop owner. We gotta take care of it, handle the business, not be complaining and whining, and just do the work and have a happy face when the customers show up. You know, that's what it is, guys. It's not about being a complainer and this and that and be pissed off. You know, you gotta have a happy face, and you gotta give everybody that great haircut. But today was a great day. I mean, like, what can I complain? I'm like, we made some money today. I'm like, it was super packed. So I'm not even tripping. Not like I can use the money. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys mañana.